eToro, established in 2007 and regulated by multiple Tier 1 jurisdictions, is highly regarded for its user-friendly platform and comprehensive trading options. It excels particularly in social copy trading and cryptocurrency trading, earning top accolades in these categories. The platform offers over 3,000 tradable symbols, including CFDs, forks, and exchange-traded securities, providing a broad array of investment opportunities. One of eToro's standout features is its ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners and casual investors. The platform supports both a web interface and a mobile app, both of which are praised for their intuitive design. The mobile app, in particular, mirrors the web experience closely, offering features such as biometric authentication, synced watchlist, and responsive charts, though it lacks some advanced charting tools available on the web. eToro also emphasizes social trading, allowing users to copy the trades of experienced investors or share their own strategies for potential perks. This feature is complemented by the platform's research content, including market analysis, videos, and podcasts, although some advanced research tools are reserved for higher-tier club members. On the downside, trading with eToro can be slightly pricier compared to competitors, with higher spreads on forks and CFDs. Additionally, eToro does not support algorithmic trading strategies, and mandatory stop-loss and take-profit settings may restrict certain trading approaches. The platform also limits some advanced trading tools and research access to its VIP members. In terms of safety, eToro scores highly with a trust score of 90 out of 99, regulated by top-tier financial authorities like the Australian Securities and Investment Commission and the Financial Conduct Authority. The platform is not publicly traded and does not operate as a bank, but provides indemnity insurance for clients in the EU, UK, and Australia. eToro's cryptocurrency offerings are notable, including both CFDs and physical crypto trading. It recently introduced spot Bitcoin ETFs, enhancing its crypto trading capabilities. However, crypto CFDs are not available to retail traders in the UK and certain other regions. Despite the recent increase in fees for trading Bitcoin, eToro maintains competitive pricing for its extensive range of crypto assets. The platform also offers $0 commissions for US stock trading and supports fractional shares, making it attractive for stock investors. VIP members benefit from various perks, including access to Trading Central, discounted fees, and dedicated account managers, while the popular investor program rewards traders who share their strategies with spread rebates and management fees. eToro's educational resources have improved significantly, with a variety of videos, articles, and webinars available. The eToro Academy organizes content by experience level, aiding beginners and advanced traders alike. However, there is room for better organization of video content and clearer distinctions between research and educational materials. Overall, eToro is highly recommended for its social copy trading and cryptocurrency trading features, particularly for retail traders who appreciate an easy-to-use platform. While it may not be the best choice for high-volume or algorithmic traders due to its higher spreads and lack of advanced trading support, it stands out for its innovative social trading tools and comprehensive market offerings. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.